Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
I will show how to remove Google Assistant from the Realme Home button. First, confirm your Realme model and Android version in Settings. Back up your device settings and personal data before making changes. If you plan to use ADB, you must enable developer options in Settings. About Phone, tap Build number 7 times. Keep your phone charged to at least 50%. Have a USB cable and a computer ready for advanced steps using ADB if needed. Open Settings, then tap Apps and choose Default Apps on Realme phones. Tap Assist and Voice Input to see the current Assistant selection. If the system offers None, pick None to remove Assistant binding. If None is not available, select a different Assistant app to override Google Assistant. After selecting your choice, return to the home screen and test the long press on the Home button. Restart your phone if the Home button still triggers Google Assistant to finalize the new for a definitive removal. Use ADB on a computer with a USB cable connected. Enable developer options and USB debugging in Settings before connecting the phone. On your computer, install ADB tools and run a DB devices to confirm connection. Then run a DB shell PM disable user 0com. Google, Android. Google Quick Search box to disable Google Assistant package. Test the Home button after disconnecting the cable. To restore Google Assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.